Okay. We are back here in the garage. Take a look at this stock tire and this wheel here. And this is my system. Everybody's got their own one that works best. This is the least amount of tools, least amount of cost, and it works easily. People pry these off, and that's fabulous, and I give them credit. I'm not He-Man. I'm trying to break myself here. I just go around easily. A little sledge and a mallet. Plus I got, 2x4s laid out here, and they're slapping the ground, making a lot of noise right now, but it's already gotten loose. Okay, so as you can see, it ain't hard at all. It's usually, it depends on the tire and the weather a little bit. Keep this. It's not the best boards I have for this right now, but as you see, it's pretty easy. Now, if you don't know, the tire's got to come off towards the valve this way and go back on the same way, and that's because of this right there. It's only on one side, the wheel. So it's like that with the XR, it's like that with the pint. You got to get this into that lip and pry part of this up over, and once I get that over, gotta get it up and out. So you can use two of these. If you have better ones, it works even better. But some sort of plastic tool. I'm gonna try to move it sideways and pop that. There we go. Least amount of mess, the better. I could clean all this up right now. I have just a little bit of mess. There's two ways. You can flip this and do it, or you can do it this way. Whew. So that worked out pretty nice. People gonna clean all this stuff up, make it all really nice, and then put more slime armadillo. I don't put in slime armadillo until I've mounted the tire and tried it out, because I don't want to use it and waste it on what possibly could be a defective tire. And I'm not saying I've gotten one, but you just want to be careful about it. Let's see how I'm gonna turn this one for this. Alright, so it's gonna be a little more difficult. Try to get it to turn a little bit and twist it. Now if this was out in the sun, or you heat it up a little bit, would be easier too. Whoop, almost had it. If I can't get it real easy, I'm gonna clean up that tire. I'll find that perfect angle. Yeah, it's all about the angle. This is not the best operation here. I need like a... I think I need to take it to a bench. Make it easier, but this is the way I'm always doing it, so...